Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix app continuity not working on Honor Magic V6. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into the settings, and what are we going to do is we're going to go into foldable phone section. Here, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and we want to go to fold the phone. Here, what are we going to do is we want to make sure that it is set to keep the exterior screen on. Basically, there's three options. The first and the second one are the best. The exterior screen off definitely will destroy your continuity. And if you have the keep the exterior screen on when you're looking at it, then you can easily just go over. You can fold the phone back, and as you guys can see, it will already go here. So now I am not looking at the phone, and still the results are the same. So totally up to you however you use this option, and that's basically what you guys need to change. Now if you want to fix the cross device and connected apps continuity, so it's between the phone and the other ecosystem devices, of course from Honor, make sure that you're signed in to Honor ID. So here you need to enter your login password and make sure that you do that on two devices at the same time. Make sure that you have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. So whenever you have the Bluetooth turned on, here as you guys can see, we will have the devices. We want to make sure that we connect with them. And then if that does not work, what you guys want to do is go over and scroll down to system and updates. First, check for software updates, because you want to make sure that you are on the latest version. And here we can double check it just like that. And what are we going to do next is we're going to go back to system and updates. Here we're going to go to reset, and in the reset we're going to reset the network settings. So this will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. Of course, we can select which SIM we want to reset. I only got one. And here we're going to go to reset network settings. We have to confirm with our lock screen password. Click again, and as you guys can see, here you can allow the data transfer. You of course don't have to do it, but you can, and that will reset your settings. So that's basically what you guys can do to fix your app continuity on the Honor Magic. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.